Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Select a purpose-made tuna knife that is 10-14 inches long so you can slice from head to tail in one smooth pass. Shorter blades require more strokes and tear the flesh. Opt for a thin, flexible blade around 2-3 mm thick to follow the bones and minimize waste. Choose stainless or high-carbon stainless steel for corrosion resistance and a comfortable, non-slip handle that gives balanced weight and a secure grip in wet conditions. Begin by sanitizing all surfaces and tools and keep the tuna chilled to under 40 degrees F to preserve texture and safety. Set up a stable, non-slip cutting board and clamp or weight the fish to prevent movement. Sharpen your blade to a 15-20 degrees edge angle using stones or a guided sharpener. A keen edge makes long, effortless strokes and reduces accidents. For personal protection, use a cut-resistant glove on your Start filleting by making an initial cut behind the gill down to the backbone, then turn the blade and run it along the spine with long, smooth strokes to free the first fillet. Use gentle, continuous motion, letting the blade do the work. Lift flesh with fingertips and separate it from the ribs while keeping the cut close to the bone to minimize waste. Remove skin if desired by slicing between skin and flesh. Trim pin bones with pliers, and portion into steaks or loins about 1 inch thick for serving or storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.